Hey Sling TV users, frustrated with constant interruptions during your favorite shows? Wondering how to fix Sling TV buffering once and for all? Well, you're in the right place. In today's guide, we'll explore practical steps to ensure your streaming experience is as smooth as possible. Whether you're catching up on your favorite series or exploring new live TV options, these tips will empower you to enjoy buffer-free viewing from the comfort of your home. Start by ensuring a strong internet connection, as it's the backbone of your streaming experience. Sling TV recommends a minimum of 5 megabits per second for stable streaming on a single device, and 25 megabits per second for households using multiple devices simultaneously. Run a speed test to confirm your current speed, and if it's below Sling TV recommendations, consider upgrading your plan or bandwidth. With multiple devices connected to your network, bandwidth gets divided, causing buffering. Disconnect any devices not in use and pause downloads or updates that might be consuming data. By freeing up bandwidth, you give Sling TV more capacity to stream smoothly. The positioning of your router can significantly affect your internet speed. For optimal streaming, place your router centrally and avoid obstacles or physical barriers such as walls or large furniture. Better yet, upgrade to a high-quality dual-band router that can handle streaming demands and deliver faster speeds. Your streaming device, whether it's a smart TV, smartphone, or tablet, accumulates cache over time, which can slow down performance. Go to the settings menu of your device, navigate to Apps, select Sling TV, and choose the option to clear cache and data. This simple cleanup can enhance speed and reduce buffering. Outdated software or apps could be a hidden culprit behind buffering. Ensure that the Sling TV app is updated to the latest version, which can resolve glitches or bugs affecting performance. Likewise, check for updates for your streaming device's firmware to ensure it supports the Sling TV app effectively. Streaming video at the highest quality demands more data, which could cause buffering if your network speed fluctuates. Within the Sling TV app settings, try lowering the video quality to see if it improves streaming stability. It's about finding a balance between quality and performance suited for your current connection. If Wi-Fi congestion is an issue, consider using a wired Ethernet connection for your streaming device. Ethernet cables provide a more stable, interference-free connection compared to Wi-Fi, often resulting in smoother streaming. This change is especially beneficial in congested network environments. Buffering issues shouldn't spoil your Sling TV experience. With these 7 tips, you now know how to fix Sling TV buffering and enjoy your favorite shows without interruptions. Whether it's optimizing your internet setup, updating your devices, or simply clearing cache, these strategies can transform your viewing experience. Prioritize these tweaks and say goodbye to buffering woes. Until next time, happy streaming.